Venice. The name conjures up images of gondola rides, winding canals, and maybe a little romance. But often those dreams come with a hefty price tag. Good news. You don't need a millionaire's budget to experience this magical city. With a little planning and insider tips, Venice can be enjoyed without breaking the bank. Imagine strolling through charming squares, discovering hidden bridges, and indulging in delicious, affordable meals. Picture yourself finding unique souvenirs without overspending and uncovering the heart of Venice without emptying your wallet. Let's unlock the secrets to experiencing Venice affordably. We'll explore budget-friendly accommodations, delicious and inexpensive dining options, free attractions, and smart transportation tips. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure in one of the world's most unique cities, without the luxury price tag. Are you ready? Let's go! When picturing a Venetian hotel, you might imagine luxurious rooms overlooking the Grand Canal. While those exist, they come at a premium price. But fear not, Venice offers a variety of budget-friendly accommodations. Consider staying in a locanda, a charming, family-run guest house. These often offer more character and a personal touch than large hotels, at a fraction of the cost. Another great option is a hostel, perfect for solo travelers or groups. They provide a social atmosphere and budget-friendly dorm or private rooms. For specific recommendations, check out Alloggi Barberia near St. Mark's Square, a highly rated hostel known for its cleanliness and friendly staff. If a locanda is more your style, Locanda Sant'Agostino in the Dorsoduro district offers comfortable rooms and a charming Venetian atmosphere at reasonable prices. Remember, location is key. Staying slightly outside the most touristy areas like San Marco can save you money on accommodations without compromising your Venetian experience. Italian food is famous worldwide, and Venice is no exception. But enjoying delicious meals doesn't have to mean draining your bank account. Venice offers plenty of affordable options where you can savor authentic flavors without overspending. Skip the pricey tourist traps near major attractions and venture into quieter neighborhoods. Look for osterie, traditional Venetian taverns serving local specialties at reasonable prices. These often have a lively atmosphere and offer a true taste of Venetian cuisine. For a quick and cheap lunch, try cicchetti, small snacks or tapas served at bars. They are a Venetian tradition and a budget-friendly way to experience the local cuisine. Wash it down with a spritz, a refreshing Venetian aperitif, enjoyed by locals and tourists alike. Remember, eating like a local can save you money. Opt for smaller, family-run restaurants, try daily specials, and enjoy the Venetian tradition of cicchetti for a truly authentic and affordable culinary experience. Venice's budget-friendly delights. Venice is best explored on foot, and many of its charming attractions are free. Discover hidden bridges, picturesque squares, and charming canals. Visit St. Mark's Square, the city's heart. Admire the architecture, watch the pigeons, and enjoy street performers. For stunning views, cross the Rialto Bridge. Wander and get lost in Venice's quieter neighborhoods. Navigating Venice without losing your way or your euros. Venice is a city built for walking, and exploring on foot is the best way to discover its hidden gems. The Vaporetto, Venice's public water bus, is a convenient way to get around. Purchase a tourist travel card for discounted rides. For a unique experience, try a traghetto, a budget-friendly alternative to a gondola. Walking is free and the best way to uncover Venice's hidden corners. Bringing home a piece of Venice without the hefty price tag. Shopping in Venice can be tempting with its beautiful Murano glass, intricate masks, and colorful Burano lace. But you don't have to empty your wallet. Venture into quieter areas and look for smaller, family-run businesses. These offer unique and authentic souvenirs at better prices. Plus, you'll be supporting local artisans. Consider purchasing a hand-painted Venetian mask. These iconic masks come in various styles and price ranges. It's a piece of Venetian history and craftsmanship. Section 7. Your affordable Venetian adventure awaits. Exploring Venice on a budget is not only possible, it's rewarding. By embracing affordable accommodations, savoring local cuisine, discovering free attractions, and navigating the city like a local, you can unlock the magic of Venice without breaking the bank. So pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and get ready to experience the enchantment of Venice without the luxury price tag. This unique city, with its canals, bridges, and charming atmosphere, awaits. Your affordable Venetian adventure starts now.